brought the solar collector down to my backyard and I started tinkering with it. You know, I'm kind of a do-it-yourselfer. And before long, I'd gone up to the refrigerator, pulled out some hot dogs and fired them inside the tube. And next thing you know, I've got lunch. Immediately, you know, I'm thinking, wow, this is some unbelievable potential. This technology has got real capability here to cook food and serve and eat.
We are not just selling solar stoves, but we are also building a business that empowers women, save forests, and change lives.
This is one of my favorites though. Take a look what you can be doing.
It's cooking potatoes?
Cooking potatoes with a little bit of steam and only using the sun as the source of energy.
So it's reflecting into the tube here,
Yeah,
and
but touch it.
It's cold.
So this one is the GoSun stove. It's cold, but inside achieves these huge temperatures. So this is crazy because we are saying that the poor people of the world, they don't technically need to spend $1 on gas or on charcoal or on wood, because already the sun is giving them that energy.
Since 2014, GoSun has worked with the United Nations Foundation, the Peruvian government, and NGOs around Africa to develop a market-based solution for social enterprise.
Our team brings together decades of experience in design, marketing and commercialization. And we're ready to scale GoSun into a global force to change the way the world cooks.
Most people think that solar is too expensive or that it doesn't work. So GoSun has made an affordable solution that's 4 times more efficient than solar panels and works its magic whenever needed. Packed with power and free from batteries, the GoSun Go is something you can take anywhere to cook up a hot meal or drink with no effort. No gas, no fire, no safety hazard, and no mess to clean up.
I turned 40 and I'm ready for an adventure. So for the next 40 days, I'm cooking with nothing but the sun. Join me as I visit some of my favorite people and places, and we prove that solar cooking is not a novelty.
Bake, boil, or fry a meal for 5 in minutes with sunlight, or cook anytime with its patented high-efficiency electric heating element, using the same amount of energy as this light bulb. In fact, you can cook a tray full of food using only this 2-pound battery, which can easily be charged with sunlight. What's our secret? The heat is trapped inside of a perfectly insulated vacuum tube, making it the highest efficiency electric stove in the world.